Hey there folks, this is the Scottsdale Travel Chick, here to give you my review of the Doubletree Hotel at the Seattle Airport. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the area. The hotel is located just outside SeaTac Airport. They have a free shuttle bus to pick you up, but you can actually walk to it without using a taxi. That walk is about 15 minutes. The hotel is about a 15-minute walk to the Link, which is their light rail station, which can take you all the way to downtown Seattle in about 35 minutes. The hotel is on a relatively busy road, and there is not much in the immediate area to see, but there are a few restaurants you can walk to nearby. In particular, there is a popular barbecue place just across the street called Sharp's Roadhouse. We ate there one night and thought the food was really good, and we also learned that you'll need a reservation on most nights. In terms of the hotel, it's a Doubletree, which is a Hilton brand. This particular hotel is quite old and quite large at over 800 rooms. The rooms are spread across multiple two low-rise buildings along with a 13-story tower. Although it's a bit dated, the property is well kept and is a bit distinct in that it kind of feels like a Swiss chalet. As you check in, make sure to take advantage of their yummy, warm chocolate chip cookies. As you enter the hotel, there's a very small lobby area and seating areas up front, along with a breakfast and lunch area directly to your right. Past the check-in desk is their gift shop, a small coffee and pastry store, and a dining restaurant and lounge. It also seems to be tailored toward being a conference center, as it had various seating areas around the main floor, some of them looking out into a woodsy courtyard area. I found this to be kind of cozy, making you feel at home. This is a large hotel of 850 rooms, but they really do make you feel very welcoming. There are 5 dining options on site. The first is a breakfast restaurant near the front entrance, as I mentioned earlier. They serve pancakes, American breakfast, French toast, etc. There's also a second area you can order breakfast from, right next to the bar. They also have a small grab-and-go coffee and bagel type of place. They serve Starbucks drinks, as well as a range of pastries, hot breakfast sandwiches, and boxed sandwiches and salads. If you're looking for a quick bite to eat, this is where you need to go. Behind the grab-and-go place is another dining option called Seaport Grill, which is mainly for dinner along with a lounge serving drinks until 11 p.m. We did not eat here and found the prices to be quite expensive for a hotel. And finally, there's a rooftop place called Maxie's, which was still closed during our visit due to COVID. In terms of amenities, there is a smaller sized gym on site which was decent, but nothing special, especially given the size of the overall hotel. Likewise, next door to the gym was an interior courtyard area with a pool and hot tub. Again, decent, but nothing spectacular. Probably good enough for families with small kids who just want to splash around. Now let's talk about the rooms. Given it's a larger resort type property with different buildings, there are a lot of room type options, from basic double queen rooms to corner king rooms, all the way up to sizable suites, rooms of about 700 square feet. We were lucky to be upgraded to one of the largest rooms on the penthouse floor in the tower building. Thank you, Hilton. Here is a video of our room. As you enter the room, you'll notice that there is a large family room and kitchen table area. There's a coffee maker and a small fridge in the room. This is one of the largest suites they have. Large room for a king-size bed and oversized bathroom. Actually, this suite has a secondary bathroom as well, a pattern bathroom near the front door. The views were very nice, looking out directly on SeaTac Airport. It was great to be able to see the planes taking off and landing. There was a large patio with chairs if you wanted to sit outside, and the internet was very fast. Okay, so here's the bad. Well, things were quite outdated, and we had a room facing the busy street, and the windows did not seal well, so it was rather noisy. There was only one USB outlet in the room for charging your devices, which was the clock. The room is a little dated, like the hotel, but carpet has been replaced and looks like new granite on the countertops. The shower I thought was kind of strange. It was oversized with 2 shower heads and also 3 spray heads, but no shower curtain. So if you are not careful, the water can spray out into the bathroom. They did have a large soaking tub. This was really nice. One thing that I thought was nice also was the extra vanity makeup counter. Although, upon using it, I noticed the lighting was terrible, and it needed really a magnifying mirror with lights. Our pro tip for the hotel is to book a room that has mountain views. Several times when we were in the room, we could hear motorcycles or loud cars revving their engines from our room. Okay, let's also talk about parking. There is a charge of $32 per day, so be aware of this when planning your trip. Okay, now it's time for the Scottsdale Travel Check score. Overall, we felt the hotel has done a great job of maintaining an older property. Although it is very close to SeaTac, it has unique woodsy feel to it with many dining options, nice seating areas, and decent amenities. The room was awesome in terms of size, but the furniture had definitely seen its better days, and the functionality was not up to current hotel standards. Given all of this, I give Doubletree Hotel an 8 out of 10. It's an older place but feels nice. We would stay here again if we were catching a flight out in the morning at SeaTac. It was really convenient to use the shuttle bus and light rail to get around without needing to rent a car. Thanks for watching. If you want more details on the downtown Seattle area and what to do and see, check out our other videos. If you are enjoying our informative travel videos and hotel reviews, please follow us and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, see you later.